Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I am S, and in this video I'll show you how to set up a blazing fast React project using Vite. Vite is the new standard. It's much faster than Create React app and it makes working with React smoother. By the end of this video, you will have a working React app using Vite. Before following through this course, you will need to install Node.js and VS Code for code editing. And in this video we'll set up our React app using Vite and run it locally. You can find Vite documentation by searching Vite in Google and navigating to the first link, and we can create our React app using Vite by navigating down here, and you will see a portion called scaffolding your first Vite project, and you can create React app using any package manager of your choice. I will be using yarn. Just copy this command and navigate to a terminal and paste that command, and Vite will ask you to give project name, and I will be give project S as its name, and I will be using a React framework, and I will select TypeScript plus SWC. SWC is a Rust compiler. Okay, now our project is created, and we can navigate inside that project and open it in VS Code. And after opening it in VS Code, we need to install our dependencies. So I will just run yarn and it will install all of the dependencies for this project. Yeah, and we can use yarn dev and it will run a local server, and we can navigate to http localhost colon 5173. Yeah, and this is our React project using Vite, and we can make changes in our app.tx and it will reflect in our website. And next video we will be learning about JSX. Thank you.